Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Ultimate Tech Talk. My name is Joel Phillips. I am CEO of Proshark and CTO of Strategic Advisor Board. This is episode number 27 of Ultimate Tech Talk. We thank you for listening. Thank you for joining us. Our goal here is to provide information to business owners and marketing directors and people who are interested in finding out everything there is to know about digital footprint. We are covering a lot of different topics, pretty much everything that has to do with digital. So we've got a long way to go before we get to the end of our topic list. So that said, we just spent the last couple of weeks with CMS systems or CMS platforms and taking a look at what's important to understand about them before you make a decision to go with a particular CMS platform. Security, performance, ranking, Google ranking, vulnerabilities, access, end goals, and some of the things you should look for. So if you didn't have a chance to view that, it turned out to be a really good series, and you should probably go back and take a look at those. If you have any questions, we're here to answer those questions. So don't hesitate to give us drop us an email, techtips@proshark.com, techtips@proshark.com, and we're happy to answer them for you. We finished up our CMS system, our CMS platform discussion, and there's a few remaining items that we need to talk to from a website perspective. It's critical. Oh, and apologies because we're trying to keep these between 3 and 5 minutes. Yesterday we went way over. So, we understand that, but these topics get a little bit complex sometimes. So unfortunately, we have difficulty stuffing everything into that 5 minutes, but we'll continue to try and do better with that. Today, we're going to take a look at custom websites versus templated websites. It's critical to understand that websites, and I know I've stressed this previously in different episodes, but it's critical to understand that websites are no longer an option for a company. They're no longer, if we have one, great. If we don't, great. Most people start their purchase process online. So what that means is if they're looking to buy a product and compare it to your own experience, if you look at buying a product, where do you go? You go to Amazon, the big elephant in the room. What element of we say that you go to Amazon, but it's not just Amazon, because a lot of people like to have diversity. There's different products and services. The point being by saying that is they go there and they've been trained to go to an online resource to find out all the information they need to know before making a purchase, a product or service purchase. The same is true of everything now. It is no longer, let's go down to the store and see what they've got. It's let's research what brand, what product, what service that we want to buy, and who the best players are in the marketplace to buy that. So it's critical that when you have a website that it is findable, that B, when people visit your website, is clear and concise, and we discussed customer journey, but C, that it's not something that is visually unappealing or that detracts from the user experience when they visit your site. So templates are a great way, especially if you're doing it yourself. Templates are a great way to put forth a professional design and put forth professional content when you're delivering it. So templates are a great way to do that. So when you get a website, it's not always necessary to have something custom built. So if you talk to a website company and they say everything you have has to be custom built, that's probably not the company that you should take a look at. because it's not a company that's looking to save you money first. But then if you need custom work or custom site done in the background, then that's when you default to that. Template sites should start with design support. And what that means is a template site that you do yourself, you can go out and get. We have them available for as little as $29. You fill in all the content, the pictures that you want, etc. $29 a month. So that's on one end of the spectrum. If you need design or development support, and if you're interested in finding out about, or if you're interested in purchasing a template website for $29 a month, be sure and visit proshark.com. And under digital marketing, you'll see high performance websites. The difference comes in when you have a website built for you. The difference comes in, okay, if you can use a template site, that's great. You'll save some money. Typically, they'll start around $1,500, but that's with development support. That's with them doing everything, inputting your content, building the site, building the functions in the background, and spending quite a bit of time in making sure that everything is tested and built out correctly. And that typically includes 3 revisions, somewhere along those lines. You can get them done for less. You can get WordPress sites done for less. But the challenge being is you typically don't get design adjustments, content adjustments, SEO on page SEO, performance testing done. That's critical that you compare apples to apples when you're getting a template site built. When would you need a custom site? We do a lot of custom sites for, businesses are a little bit bigger. They have their own color choices. They have their own color palette. They have their own design, look and feel that they want. These websites can start anywhere from around 3,500 and go up. We've got companies that have spent tens of thousands of dollars on their site. It depends on what you need. And that can't be ascertained. If you're small, a solopreneur or small company, that you're just getting started with your digital presence, then by all means, let's do everything that we can to save you money. So look at a template site that's partially customized. If you're a little bit bigger, or you need specific functionality, or you need your own color palette, or if you need design elements that are outside of the range of the template space, then you need to work with professional creators and designers and developers to deliver the product that you need. So that's the difference when you're looking at custom versus template sites. It was important that we cover this ground just because it's a question that we get asked often is, why do I need a custom site? Do I need a custom site? And it's imperative that that you can, if you can save money, that we do that for you. So if you have questions, and well, again, we went way over, so apologies for that. But this is an important topic. We still don't have time to get in as deep into this as we want to. So if you still have questions, please don't hesitate to email us, techtips@proshark.com, techtips@proshark.com. Thank you. My name is Joel Phillips. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to join us. Have a great day. Bye.